Marcoleta, nasa Blue Ribbon. Kiko Bam, nasa Agrikultura at Edukasyon. Another Congress, another dollar, pero same shit, different day.
I, Francis Cheese G. Escudero, having been elected to the position of Senate President, do hereby solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully discharge, to the best of my ability, the duties of my present position and of all others I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines, that I will obey the laws, so help me God.
I, Ferdinand Martin Gomez Romualdez, of the 1st District of the Province of Leyte, having been elected as the Speaker of the House of Representatives, hereby solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully discharge, to the best of my ability, the duties of my present position and of all others I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. So help me God.
Congratulations.
Hindi nagbago ang liderato ng Kamara at Senado, with House Speaker Martin Romualdez being supported by 269 representatives with 34 abstentions or around 89% support, samantalang si Cheese Escudero ulit ang Senate President with 19% or 19 votes, while Soto, the minority leader or elected minority leader, get 5 votes. But you know, that's no surprise. Alam naman natin na Escudero got the majority of the votes, with House Speaker Martin Romualdez having a manifesto signed by most of the House of Representatives. Hindi na rin surprise yung mga ganyang grandstanding, overwhelming support from their respective chambers. Alam na natin yan. Alam na natin na for sure si Escudero at si Romualdez ang magiging respective leaders of their chamber. Even Bam and Kiko joining the majority has been known a long time ago. Iniwan nila si Risa para sa mayorya to get the appropriate committee chairmanships. Pero they reiterated na the only reason they did was because, again, of the committee chairmanship na kanilang inaasam na makuha for education at agrikultura, their flagship campaign promises.
The Honorable Senator Aquino,